Are you tired of your dog barking at the delivery guy? Or how about when you have visits and they're jumping on people? If you're like me, you probably are embarrassed when they're getting their clothes dirty or just pushing them down. I have two golden retrievers and they're pretty big dogs. But anyways, I found this game that has really changed our dynamic. So it's only 5 steps. It's super fun. So if you wanna find out how to play it, keep watching this video and you're gonna have a lot of fun. Thank you. I'm gonna show you a little way that you can help your dog not bark as much. Be more relaxed when people come through the door or when people knock, jump right into it. The knock on the door will mean you are gonna go on certain spot and you're gonna search for cookies. And when you're searching for cookies, you can't be barking, right? So in here I have some of their dinner, I have their kibble. So you can do that, train with their dinner. I taught you how to teach this. My coach, Susan Garrett, taught me this technique of teaching your dog how to target a mat and then a bed and then eventually hold position. So we're just gonna give them their cue, which I say súbete, which means get up, and súbete, nena, súbete. Good job. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first do like a knock and then my cue, and then it's gonna mean go up here, all right? Ciao, break. Good job. I think this might be good. So I'm gonna do súbete. Súbete. Search. And súbete. Yeah, search. Search. Súbete. He's already anticipating. Search. So now they're already anticipating, I'm gonna see if they'll go on the knock itself. Check. Yes! Search. This is the first time I try this with them. They actually learned it very quick. Yes! And eventually you can move it into like knocking on the door, and you first do that knock on the door. Then you do whatever you're not. You get that bark with your dog, go back. Don't keep going with the knock on the door. Go back to your box, and you have to grow your dog's confidence. And let's see if we can get a knock on the door. So first, I'm just gonna do this close to the door. Yes. And you might want to train your dog one by one. It'd definitely be easier for them to learn this. Chuck. Yes. Yes. Search. Yes, that's all right. Search. Break. Yes. Yes. Search. I don't think we need our box no more. All right, friends, and there you have it. 5 simple steps that can help your dog reduce his barking drastically when the Amazon guy shows up, when your kids come home from school, when your husband comes back from work. Big important thing out of this is that consistency and repetition are everything in our dog's world. So if you want to be successful with this, I recommend you start doing these 5 steps, well, wherever you're at. Repeat the step you're at 2 or 3 times a day. So these 5 steps were: number 1, paw targeting. Number 2, fake knock, and then your cue for the spot. Number 3, only the fake knock. Number 4, the real knock followed by the fake knock. And number 5, only the real knock. Okay, so let me know if this helps. Remember, tracking is everything. So if you haven't already, follow the link below and download my improvement game. Let me know if this helps. What are your thoughts? We're excited to hear from you. Jax, are you excited to hear from our friends? Very excited. He gives you lots of kisses. Bye-bye. Yeah.